Imagine a soldier who never gets tired, never loses focus, sees in total darkness, carries the power of a small tank, thinks faster than the enemy, and survives hits that would kill any normal human instantly. A soldier who moves with the precision of a machine, powered by advanced exoskeleton suits, AI-driven targeting systems, bio-enhanced endurance upgrades, and the real-time battlefield data feeds straight into their eyes. If you think this sounds like science fiction, think again. Because today, we're exposing America's future soldier program, something so advanced, so classified, and so transformative that military analysts are saying it could reshape warfare forever. And once you understand how far the U.S. has gone, I promise you'll never look at modern combat the same way again. Right now, while most nations focus on training troops the traditional way, America is quietly building something entirely different. Not just stronger soldiers, not just smarter soldiers, but augmented soldiers, hybrid warriors designed to fight in ways no more human has ever fought before. And the craziest part, most of the world still has no more idea just how deep this program really goes. Stay with me through this video, because the truth behind America's next-gen warriors is something that the Pentagon rarely admits publicly, but the clues are everywhere, hidden in leaked documents, experimental footage, DARPA testing labs, and sudden military budget spikes. Today we're putting those pieces together. Let's start by imagining this. A battlefield 10 years from now. Dust storms swirl, drones swarm overhead, and the enemy armored vehicles push forward. Suddenly, from behind us, American soldiers appear, moving faster than combat gear should allow, wearing suits that look like something out of a futuristic video game. Their helmets shine with augmented reality displays. Their movements are smooth and enhanced, and they carry weapons far lighter than they look because most of the load is supported by their powered exoskeletons. Enemy forces panic because these soldiers don't look human, they look engineered. And that's exactly what's happening. The United States has been developing powered exoskeleton suits for years, but the recent breakthroughs have pushed things to another level. These suits increase strength by up to 20 times. That means a soldier can lift heavy weapons, carry extra ammunition, deck wounded teammates, and sprint under massive load without exhaustion. The suits also absorb shock, making soldiers resistant to falls, blasts, and powerful recoil. These aren't bulky metal frames anymore, they're lightweight, flexible, and smart. They respond to muscle movement even before it fully happens, using predictive algorithms so the soldier and the machine move as one. But strength is just the beginning. America's future soldier helmet, something that's been quietly shown in prototypes, is a game changer. Imagine looking through your visor and seeing an overlay of everything around you: enemy positions, friendly units, drone feeds, satellite updates, ammo count, and even environmental hazards. The helmet uses LiDAR and infrared sensors to give full 360-degree awareness. Soldiers can see through smoke, fog, dust storms, and even thin walls. They don't just react, they anticipate. This helmet also features emotion monitoring, tracking stress levels and mental status, adjusting internal systems to keep the soldier focused and calm. It sounds unreal, but it's already being tested. Then there's the battlefield communication system, heart of the future soldier program. Every soldier becomes a walking sensor, a node in a battlefield network powered by AI. When one soldier sees something, everyone sees it. When one soldier takes fire, the entire squad instantly receives location data. When a drone above detects movement, the soldier's visors highlight it automatically. It's as if every soldier has superhuman awareness. But now let's talk about something even more shocking: bio enhancements. According to multiple defense research papers, America is investing heavily in biological augmentation, stuff that used to be pure science fiction. We're talking faster healing, boosted stamina, chemical resistance, and even night vision biological upgrades. Experiments are being done to increase oxygen efficiency so soldiers can run longer, climb higher, fight harder, and survive in harsh environments. If this becomes operational, future U.S. soldiers won't need as much food, water, or rest. They'll outperform normal humans in every measurable category. And if that wasn't enough, DARPA has been working on neural link interfaces, devices that allow soldiers to control drones, turrets, and even vehicles using their thoughts. Not fully reading minds, but responding to intention signals from the brain. That means faster reaction times, more precise targeting, and smoother coordination. Imagine a soldier firing a weapon simply by focusing on a target, no trigger pull, no more hesitation. It's unbelievable, but small-scale experiments confirm it's coming. Now, let's talk about protection. America's future soldier armor doesn't behave like regular body armor. It's made from advanced composite materials that can stop armor-piercing rounds while remaining flexible. It uses smart gel layers that harden upon impact, dispersing forces to protect internal organs. Some prototypes even feature active camouflage panels that adapt colors to blend with surroundings, making the soldier nearly invisible to the human eye and harder for his sensors to detect. This isn't one upgrade. This is an entire evolution. But the question is, why? Why is the United States pushing so hard for a super soldier program? The answer is simple. Future warfare demands it. Drones, hypersonic weapons, cyber-attacks, electronic warfare, and robotic units are becoming the new normal. A regular soldier simply cannot compete in a battlefield that moves at machine speed. America knows that to dominate future conflicts, soldiers must be enhanced, empowered, and integrated with advanced systems. Let's take a deeper look at how this program changes actual combat. Picture a squad of future soldiers entering a hostile city. Instead of inching forward cautiously, they move confidently with drones mapping around corners, exoskeletons absorbing recoil, identifying threats, and sensors detecting movement behind walls. If ambushed, the suit instantly stiffens to protect the soldier, the helmet auto highlights enemy positions, and the squad receives mode support before the enemy even reloads. The battlefield becomes predictable, threats become manageable, survival chances skyrocket. But here is where the story gets even more intense. America isn't just building future soldiers, they're building future teammates for them. Autonomous robot dogs, drone swarms, mini ground robots, and AI-controlled turrets will accompany future troops. These robotic teammates identify threats, provide cover fire, create equipment, and perform risky tasks like entering buildings or disarming explosives. The combination of enhanced humans and the autonomous systems creates a deadly force multiplier. Think about it, a soldier enhanced by an exoskeleton, powered by AI, linked to drones, wearing adaptive armor, and controlling robots. That's not a soldier, that's a walking tactical system. And America is designing hundreds, maybe thousands of them. But this raises the biggest question. Will other countries be able to make this? Right now, the gap is massive. Some nations are trying exosuits, others are testing helmets, but very few can compete with the sheer scale of American technology. The U.S. has DARPA, elite tech companies, massive budgets, classified programs, and decades of research advantage. If this future soldier program becomes standard, America may achieve a level of military dominance that no more country can challenge for decades. Let's go even further. Imagine these soldiers deployed in a real war scenario. They coordinate with satellites in space, jam enemy electronics, hack systems from the field, and strike with robotic precision. A small team could do the job if an entire platoon. Missions that once required huge numbers now take minutes. Speed, technology, and accuracy become the deciding factors, not manpower alone. And here's something many people don't think about. Psychological impact. Imagine being an enemy soldier, seeing these enhanced warriors coming toward you, silent, fast, armored, armed with futuristic weapons, drones circling overhead, robots flanking them. Many analysts believe their presence alone could break enemy morale before any fighting even begins. Fear becomes a weapon. But what makes this program even more mysterious is just how much of it remains classified. We've seen prototypes, we've seen leaks, we've seen budget reports, but the most advanced versions are hidden from the public. That means if what we do know already seems futuristic, imagine what we don't know. Technologies 10 years ahead of everything else. Systems that haven't been revealed, enhancements that will shock the world when they're finally exposed. Some insiders claim that AI capabilities would make people question whether they'd be watching soldiers or advanced beings. The United States isn't preparing for the next war, it's preparing for the next era of war. And if these soldiers become fully operational, America won't just have an army, it will have a technologically evolved force unlike anything in history. So here is the real question. What happens when the first battalion of these future soldiers is deployed? What happens when the world sees them in action? What happens when other nations realize they can't keep up? Because the moment these soldiers step onto a battlefield, global military balance shifts overnight. And now, as we reach the end, I want you to think about one thing, a future where soldiers are faster than machines, stronger than humans, and smarter than ever before. A future where every battlefield is dominated by enhanced warriors linked to AI, drones, and robotics. A future where America's advantage becomes almost impossible to challenge. This is America's Future Soldier Program Exposed. And this is only the beginning. If you want more deep dive video like this, more advanced tech breakdowns, and more military secrets revealed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Because my next episodes will take you even deeper into the programs they don't want you to know about. And with that, I'll leave you with the final line. America's Future Soldier Program Exposed. And the world may never be the same.